Here is the turntable, which still appears to be wired for power. So it looks like in theory it could be powered up. I am standing on the former leads that led to the former roundhouse. Way over here, past the wheels, you can see the original foundation for the roundhouse. So where these wheels were parked, that's where the roundhouse was. And here we can see the backside of the boiler house. And that definitely looks like an interesting building right there with the two stacks sticking up. Here we're looking down the length of the turntable with the shops in the background. Here we see the electric motor and the gearing that used to drive the turntable. I'm guessing there's a rack down there. It looks like it was covered by, maybe covered by debris, but that was what actually turned the turntable. There's another motor over on the other side. There's the wheel and the round rail, central rail that the turntable rode on. You can see it better right there. Here's the operator station for the turntable. It's looking a little rough, but looks like it's also all the controls are there, and it's mostly intact. We are now in what used to be the locomotive repair facility. You can see the number board indicated the stall number in the Santa Fe days. These are going to be removed and donated to the Railroad Museum. The bridge crane over there is still active. This bridge crane over here and the one at the far end is no longer active. Here we are at the upper level of the former locomotive shop. Sorry about my breath, we just climbed up the stairs. Here's a close-up view of one of the overhead cranes with the operator station. We have a view in our museum like this. You can see those steaming diesels sitting in the bay. Okay. Here we have the transfer table that ran between the locomotive shop on the right, the
machine shop on the right, boiler shop on the left, blacksmith shorter building.
Thank you, Bob.
With the blacksmith. Back in the steam engine days,
blacksmith shop, the boiler shop, and a machine shop.
Diesel days, not so much, but they still had a lot of heavy metal that they worked. Heat sheets for locomotives, they cut them and they straighten them.